Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got that Hermes rocket all done and typing good. But on final checkout, listen closely what happens here, and I'm going to troubleshoot this on camera. So there, it makes a squeaking noise. Okay, so it's hard to tell where it's at, but I'm going to do something. Process of elimination on this machine is doable because there's the link right there. It goes to the back of the machine right there. I'm gonna disconnect that. So that isolates. If it still makes a noise, it's going to isolate it. I can't get in here. At least to the front space bar area. Okay, there it came off. Pretty easy link to remove. Okay, so I'm going to lift this out of the way so it's not touching. So now it's not spacing the machine at all because it's disconnected. But let's see if the squeak followed. Still squeaks. There it is. Yeah, still doing it. Okay. So it's kind of what I thought. It's in one of the pivots here. It's the only friction point I can find is the pivot point over here and over there. And I'm going to do a little red oil in there. Let's see. Can't really see in here, and I don't want to get too much extra oil in here. But let's see if I can get some red on the pivot point right over there. Looks like, and over here is a lot more accessible. It's right there. Work that in. Still squeaking. Just heard it. Sometimes that oil's got to work its way into whatever is happening here. There's a spring over here too. I'm going to see if I make sure I get that. Even the springs, weird stuff can cause those kind of squeaks. Still heard it. If I push against it this way, it really does it. Oh, maybe it's something else. Oh, I think it's these little, right in front here, you can see there's a piece of, a guide piece right there. I'm sure that's what it is. Yeah, right in there. There's a guide piece. I see it. Let's try lubing it, but I think it's got to be tweaked a little bit. Let's try to put lots of oil in there. That might have done it. Just had to find a spot. Yeah, it's rubbing a little bit over there. So it looks like she's fixed. Never know with these things exactly what it is. That's why troubleshooting is so fun. Let's put this piece back on here. See how easily that links back up. Oh, shoot. Almost had it. It's so close. It's in there. So now she's up and running again. And not squeaking. Still looking for this cover here. Got this, looking for the right side. Wingman there. Okay, so that's my quick repair of a squeaky space bar. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.